Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever, and in this video I will show you how you can install Python 3.11.4 in Windows 10. So first I will open python.org. So here you can see there is a one button that is download. Hover over on this button and here you can see there is one more button, Python 3.11.4. Click on this. Now here you can see our download is completed. And now I will double click on this setup button and install the Python. And make sure don't forget to add this Python exe to the path, otherwise Python will not work in your system. Now wait for a few minutes to install the setup. So now you can see setup was successfully installed. Now I will close this and I will show you that our Python is completely installed. So first search the IDLE. So here you can see I have two Python version 3.10 and this is the latest one 3.11.4. So I will open this setup. So here you can see Python 3.11.4. Now there is one more way you can check the Python latest version. Search cmd and then type Python. So again here you can see Python 3.11.4. So in this way you can install Python 3.11.4 in your Windows 10. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.